Hello everyone, I'm Leena. Today I will be telling you about the most fearful planet Rahu in astrology. I have seen people are actually scared of this name. So why there is a fear? What exactly is the purpose of Rahu? What role it has been assigned in your life? I will discuss good and bad effects, plus how to check the strength of Rahu in your own horoscope. Actually, I believe that if you have a better understanding, deeper knowledge, then you get free of all doubts and fears. And fears are due to ignorance. And knowledge is light. So when lights are on, there is no darkness. Now, what is Rahu? The most important thing you need to understand here is that Rahu and Ketu do not have physical bodies. There's a mythological story behind the birth of Rahu and Ketu. The demons Svarbhanu changed its look and stood with devtas to take the nectar. And then Lord Narayana cuts his head. So the head became Rahu and the tail became Ketu. Therefore, Rahu has no body and Ketu has no head. See, greed and deception was the main cause of birth. In astrology, Rahu and Ketu are taken as mathematical points. So they are called North Node and South Node of Moon. Now let's come to the basic nature of Rahu. Now, as I told you, Rahu does not have a physical body. It is a shadowy planet. So it does not have a sign in the zodiac. It shares the lordship of Aquarius sign. See, Rahu is a malefic planet. It makes you attention seeker. It actually represents your unfulfilled strong desires. There's a tendency of committing errors because you're not expertise in this area of your life. You're here to learn lessons. I would like to add here that purpose of Rahu is to complete certain unfinished goals of past lives. So when you take a journey, there are chances of meeting failures, disappointments, and then attain success. Here, in fact, the strength of Rahu takes role. So let's see how to check the strength of Rahu. Rahu takes a role of its sign lord, planets conjunct, planets aspecting, and then the nakshatra lord. So if well placed, then you get good results. But if 8th and 12th house involvement, then it can create problems. For example, if Rahu is placed in Scorpio sign with Jupiter aspected by Saturn and in Venus nakshatra. So in this case, Rahu will give results of houses ruled by Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Venus. Meaning you have to analyze the strength of Rahu very carefully. You have to consider the results given by all the planets associated with Rahu. A good placement is Kendra and Trikona in the chart and aspect by benefic planets like Jupiter. So if Rahu is in Trikona like 1st house, 5th house, 9th house, and Kendra Lord like 4th Lord, 7th Lord, 10th Lord aspects. Or vice versa, Rahu in Kendra and Trikona Lord aspects. Or is conjunct. That is Raj Yoga, which means it will fulfill your desires or goals. Now let's understand the bad effects of Rahu in Vedic astrology. See, whenever Rahu is related to 6th house, it can give you disease which cannot be diagnosed easily. See, this is Rahu's nature. It has to create confusion and restlessness. If Rahu is related to 8th house, then it can give pain or will create sudden hurdles. If in 12th house, instead 12th house is house of losses, expenses. So it is considered weak. And a weak can be understood here as an immature attitude. It can give physical or mental issues. It depends on its relation with other planets. We know Rahu has no body. So what happens if you have no body? Meaning you have no stomach to store or show fulfillment or contentment. Perhaps you will always be hungry to get more and more. You are restless, impatient, and want to fulfill your needs. You are ready to take shortcuts as well. So, what needs are materialistic? All materialistic desires. So, the lower or say bodily desires. Rahu is considered Mayavi. Now, what is Mayavi? Maya is something which seems to exist, but actually it is not there. It is an illusion, just like mirage. This is the reason Rahu represents all sorts of lies, cheatings and betrayals. Do you know what a What makes a person lie or betray? See, a person will lie or deceive when he has to hide a reality or he does not want to show the real picture. But why? Because Rahu does not believe in attaining things legally or following the normal laws. This is its main nature. Remember, Rahu will break all the rules set by planet Sun. And Sun represents rules, regulations, discipline, government authority, and of course, good health. And we know that Sun is eclipsed by Rahu. Next, Rahu gives confusion. Confusion comes when a person's mind has no clarity. And mind is ruled by planet Moon. And Moon is also eclipsed by Rahu. So when there is a cloud in front of Moon, you miss the real view. Similarly, Rahu has influence on your mind. It will grab all your attention and create an illusory vision. So this cloudiness of mind is ignorance and perhaps the creator of all sins. And this makes you indulge in all sorts of illegal affairs like corruption, bribes, and even it gives you a depressed mind, which is worst. Now we know about the basic nature of Rahu, but I want to tell you today that there are good aspects of Rahu as well. Rahu actually explores the energy of the house, sign and star it is posited in the horoscope. So a lot depends on the position, sign and star of Rahu. Because Rahu will get guidance to work as per its role decided in the chart. A well-placed Rahu gives an opportunity to create your own world and become famous. It will inspire you for innovations, writings, new technology, or even in the entertainment industry. Rahu will actually put a spotlight on you. So in every horoscope, Rahu will work differently. But in my view, there are certain things fixed. That's true. But a lot depends upon your own choices. That is called free will. So if you do good karmas, Saturn will certainly reward you. And this means you will get fame, name, and all for all good reasons. You stay in limelight and that too for a long time. So in the end, I would say that even if Rahu is ill-placed, just check your karmas. If you're taking wrong or illegal track, then it is better to discontinue, else Rahu can give a sudden fall in life. And a grounded person cannot fall off. That's it for today. So thank you so much. I'll be coming with more details on Rahu. So till that time, you can read my blog on Rahu. And if you have any queries or you want consultations, you can contact me on my website at astrologer.com. Bye for now and see you soon.